Okay, write an equation from the parabolas. Brief review. Okay, so you want to do start with the AHK. Y equals A times x dot x minus h to the second plus k. We need to find the A, the h, and the k. And then we're done. Okay, h and k is not hard to find. You label the vertex point, okay? So I start with it as xy. So here's x, -1, -2, -3, -4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that will not be xy anymore, that's your hk. It's got to be that one, okay? So I guess we're putting -4 in for h, and we will put 4 in for k, okay? Now finding a is a different story. It's not quite that slick. In order to find a, you need to replace the y and the x, not up here, down here, okay? Because I got h and k already done, but I got to get a. Well, y and x can't be here to find a, so you pick one of your two side points. I'll go with this one. And that is going to stay xy this time. So -1, -2, that's your x, and then 1 on your y. Okay, so take the y out, replace it with the value of 1. The a stays, that's what we're finding the value for. Then parentheses, well I can't have x there, then the -2 comes in. Minus, and then the h is -4. Remember, you have minus and then -4. Not -4, minus -4. And then to the second power, people forget second power, you can't, plus 4. Okay, so you got a times, you got to figure out what the heck that is. Okay, minus negative is plus plus, so it's -2 plus 4 to the second. It's 4. I'm just showing some of you people who struggle with mental math right there. That would be how to figure it out. 4. 8 times 4, and then plus 4. So you have multiplication by 4, and we minus 4 first. 1 minus 4 is -3. Then we divide by the 4. -3 divided by 4 is -0.75. I would suggest, I do not like decimals on these A problems. Second PRB it. It would be just -3/4. Decimals I would like as fractions on A. Okay, write that out. Y equals y and x go back to the way they are. X minus -4 to the second plus 4. The only thing I want you to do is make that, if it's minus negative, you simplify that. It's x plus 4. Okay. Alright, and if you always want to check your answer, you can go -3, ABC 4, parentheses, and put -2 in for x from here. Take it to the second power, plus 4. When I click equals, the output should be 1. It is. Okay, do some more of these. A times x minus h to the second power plus k. Got to find those three things, okay? So hk is easy, it's your vertex. I start with it xy because that's how I'm used to having it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so but that's actually going to be our hk. So h is 3 and k is 3. Okay, now we got to find the a. Okay, y and x got to get out of here if we're going to find a. So 1, 2, 3, I'll pick this one. You can pick that one too. I usually go with the one on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then -1. Okay, so y, -1. Then x is 6. Minus 3 to the second, and then k is 3. So negative 1, a times, and then you figure out what that is. It's 9 because 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 to the second power is 9. But if you struggle with mental math, go with that. Then plus 3. So we got multiplying by 9 and plus 3. So you take out the plus 3 with minus 3. It's negative 4. And you divide by 9. Negative 4 divided by 9. I do not want that nonsense. Second PRB, negative 4/9. That's your A. Okay, next problem. Okay, so got to find the A, the H, the K. HK is easy, it's the vertex right there in the middle. First I'll start with an XY so I know where I'm going. So X. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? Remember, that is actually going to be our HK. Has to be that one. You can't just pick whatever you want for HK. It has to be the middle. Okay, the vertex. So negative 4 and negative 4. Now, finding the A. Finding the A, you pick a side point, not the vertex. Pick this one, okay? So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then down to negative 1. Okay, so Y, get that out of there, put the negative 1 value in its place. And then A is what we're solving for. And then X, get the negative 4 out, get the X out, put negative 3 in its place, not negative 4, negative 3. Minus negative 4, minus negative 4. To the second plus negative 4. Now I need to find out what this mess is. Plus plus first off, it's 1 by the way. Since 1 to the second's 1, so it's A times 1 plus negative 4. So you got multiplied by 1, negative 4. So you add 4 to both sides, and that's 3. You can divide by 1 if you want, but it's still just 3. So 3 equals A. X minus negative 4. The Y and X go back into Y and X. Plus plus. Make it plus plus. I don't want to see the minus negative. Okay, if you want to check your answer, go 3 times and just put negative 3 in for X, plus 4, second power, and then plus negative 4. When I click equals, the output should be negative 1. Okay, right here. Alright, get the HK. Remember that you have to go with the vertex point for that. You can't pick these two as your HK. It's this one, that one in the middle. So I'm going to first put XY, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, positive 3. That's going to be your HK. It's got to be that one though. The HK is very specific. Okay, so negative 4 is your H, and 3 is your K. Now you got to solve for A. Finding A. Well, if we want to find a's value, we can't have y and x here anymore. That's when you pick one of the two side points. I'll pick this one. That will stay xy, so -2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So y is 6. And then -2 goes in for x. Plus 3. So you figure that out, minus negatives plus plus. Okay. It's 4 plus 3. Okay, so you got multiplication by 4 and addition by 3, so you're going to minus 3. That's 3. So 3 divided by 4 is a decimal, it'll be 3/4. Okay. Okay, so y is equal to 3/4 times the quantity x minus -4. And then plus 3. Minus negative plus plus. I'm docking a half point on a test if you leave it minus negative. If you want to check your answer, take the 3/4. And then -2 plus 4 to the second, and then plus 3. You got 6, just like it says. Okay, now we get the equation. We need to graph them. X second power, it makes a U. Okay, you have to know that property. So, this is the vertex. Okay, to find your x at the vertex, you just take the opposite of h, because it's AHK. This one's different, that's ABC, but this one's AHK. So -4. And then add 1, -3, go 1 lower. Okay, so I take -2 and then substitute -3 for x plus 4 to the second, and then plus 3. It's 1. Click the up. Now I don't want -3, I want -4. So it's 3. Click up. Now I want -5. 1. Okay, -3, 1. -4, 3. -5, 1. Okay, you have to do the range. I don't care about the axis of symmetry anymore. Okay, just do the range at this point in the unit. I just need you to know how to do the range. So label your vertex. -4, 3. So you take your y value 3, put y 3, and it's going down, okay, from 3. You can see the arrow's going down, so it's less than or equal. Okay, then y equals 3x to the second power minus 6x plus 2. Now x is to the second makes a u. Vertex. Okay, well, I don't have AHK like this is. This is ABC formation. This is called vertex formation. I just call it AHK. This is standard ABC. Okay, you got to do a little more work to find your x. Not a whole lot more, but a little bit more. Finding the x opposite of b divided by 2 times a. So the opposite of -6 is +6, and then 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. Now you'll substitute those in for both the x's at the same time. 2 in. It's 2. Click up and you get 1. be back to 2. Yeah. Okay, so 2, 2. Sorry about that. Got cut off when I copied it. 1, negative 1, and then 0, 2. Okay, actually I wrote range there, so just label the vertex. Okay. Okay, put y, put your negative 1, or you can just take it from over there, and you're going up now, not down, so up is greater than or equal to.